Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. As moving further in this chapter, today we are going to start with exercise 8.2. Question number 1 and 2 are to be done in the textbook only. So first it is given, complete the table with the help of these boxes and use decimals to write the number. Means the box is being given, वो कौन सा number form करता है, and that we have to write down in this box. Now if here you will see only one box is given, in that box also it is not completely filled. So how much it is being filled, that we have to find out. It's complete नहीं है, मतलब ये जो number form होगा that will be a decimal number. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. 10 twos are 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. So the number which is being formed, that is 0.26. So here we will write at ones place a 0, tenth place is 2 and hundredths place is 6. Second one, if you see one complete box is being given, means this will be considered as 1. Okay, ये complete दिया है. The another one is given, that is a part of it. So ये पूरा 10 का ही line है. So 10, 20, 30. 30 plus 8, it's 38. So the number which is being formed here, it's 1.38. So 1 we had already written, 3 and 8 will be written over here, and here we have to write down the number. Okay, so 0.26, it will be 1.38. Now last, again one complete is being given. So 1, 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 8 is 28. So 2 and 8, here also we'll write 1.28. Here also it will come as 1.28. So this was your question number 1. It was very simple. Now question number 2, write the numbers given in the following place value table in decimal forms. Place value table means it is written in the place value table, we have to write down the decimal number. Now here the first one, पहले देख लो tables में क्या दिया है, ones, tens and hundred, tenths, hundreds and thousands. So tenths means point के बाद first digit, hundredths means point के बाद second digit, and thousands means it is third digit after decimal. So first one, ones में क्या है, 3 है, tens and hundreds are 0, so ones is 3, so 3.250, or if you write 25 then also it's correct. Okay, so 250 will be the answer. Second one, hundreds place it is 1, tens is 0 and ones is 2, so it is 102.6 at tens place, 3 at hundredths place, so it will be 630. Third one, hundreds place is empty, tens place is 3, ones place is 0, so it will be 30 point, tens place is 0, so we'll write 0 to 5. So 0 to 5 is the number. Fourth one, it is hundreds place is 2, tens also ones and ones also 1, so it will be 211.902. Now the last one, hundreds place is 0, so tens place it is 1, ones place it is 2, so 1 and 2 it will be 12.241. So this was your question number 1 and 2, which you have to do it in the textbook only. The next sum will continue in the notebook. Okay, so now we'll continue with question number 3. It is given, write the following decimals in the place value table. So table we had already drawn. We had, इसमें देखना है पहले सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है. 200 is being the greatest number, means hundreds तक चाहिए हमको. और पॉइंट में भी देखो कितने डिजिट्स है, टोटल 3 digits are being there. There we want till 1000. So here we will write 100, then tens, ones, then tenths, hundreds and thousands. So the first one is 0.29. So 0.29 we can write it here. Before decimal there is no, so we can put here 3 zeros. 2 is at tens place, so we'll write 2 and 9 here. And if you want you can put here 0, no problem, it is not wrong. डेसिमल नंबर में खास याद रखना है कि इसके बाद हम जितने भी जीरोस लगाना चाहें हम लगा सकते हैं, द वैल्यू विल नॉट चेंज. सेकेंड इज 2.08 means 2 is at ones place, so 2 will write at ones place. Tenth place is empty, 0, so we'll write 0 over there. And 8 is at second place means hundreds place, so it will be written here. अभी जो खाली बचा है उधर क्या कर देना है, 0 fill up कर देना है, so that it will not look empty. Now 19.60, so 19 means 1 tens, 9 ones, तो 19 हो गया. Then 6 and 0, so again we'll put the empty place as 0. Then 148.32, so at 100 place 1, tens place 4, ones place will be 8. Now 3 and 2, what is remaining here, so we'll put there 0. So 4 I had done, fifth one you have to do it by yourself. It's very simple, nothing hard is being there. Now question number 4, if you see in your textbook, write each of the following as decimals. In that, the first one it is given 20 plus 9 plus 4 upon 10 plus 1 upon 100. So which number it will be forming, that we have to write down. So 20 plus 9 it will be 29 point, नीचे 10 है means it is at 10th place. 100 is being there, so it means it is at 100th place, so it will be written 4-1. Simple. Second one, it's 137 plus 5 upon 100. So 137 will be written as it is. Now 5 upon 100 means how many zeros are being there, 2. So 5 will be at second place, so the 10th place is empty, so there we have to put a 0, it will become 0.5. ध्यान रखना है कितने जीरोस है डिनोमिनेटर में, उतने डिजिट्स होने चाहिए आफ्टर पॉइंट. अगर नहीं होते, जैसे यहाँ पे एक ही डिजिट है लेकिन होने चाहिए 2, सो दैट 0 विल बी एडेड टू द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ 5. उतना ध्यान रखना है, रेस्ट एल्स इज ईजी. नाउ 7 upon 10 plus 6 upon 100 plus 4 upon 1000. So all are at 7 is at 10th place, 6 is at 100th place and 4 is at 1000th place. So 1s, 10s, 100 में कोई नहीं है, so we'll put there 0. Now 7, 6, 4 will be the number, means 0.764. Fourth one, if you will say, it's 23 plus 2 upon 10 plus 6 upon 1000. So again 23 will be written as it is 0.2, because 2 upon 10 means it is at 10th place. Now 6 is at 1000th place, means 100th place is missing, so there we will put 0 and then 6 will be written. So again one sum you have to do it by yourself. Now let us move to question number 5. Question number 5, first one it is given 0.03, where you have to write each of the following decimals in words. उसको words में लिखना है. So now it depends that how you are writing it in words. If you want to write 0.03, it's correct, or you want to write 3/10, then also it's correct. ये दोनों करेक्ट है. अगर लिखा 0.03 it is also correct, or you write 3/10 then also it will be correct. So in words as it is only 0.03, so we can write it as 300s. Okay, 300ths because 10th place is empty, it is at second place, means it is at 100th place. Second one is 1.20, so we can write 1.2, or you can write 1 and 2 tenths. Okay, both you can write any one, 1 and 2, so 2 tenths, then also it is correct. जीरो लगा है, उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है पीछे, that's why no need to mention over there. Third one is 108.56, so how we will write 108, then 5 tenths, 6 hundredths, or if you want to write 108.56, then also it is correct. Now the rest 3 sums you have to do it by yourself. देखो उसमें fourth one it's very simple, you can write 10 and 7 hundredths. Fifth one में ध्यान रखना है, you can write down 3 hundredths and 2 thousandths, or you can write 0.032, it's upon you. Sixth one is 5.008, means 5 and you can write 8 thousandths, it is at third place, that's why. So that is your question number 5. Now question number 6, between which two numbers in 10th place are the number line does each of the given number lie? So first one is 0.06, it lies between which two numbers that we have to find out. वो भी 10th प्लेस पे दिया है, कोई भी देखो 1s 10s 100 प्लेस आर एम्प्टी, सब में 0.0.0 करके दिया है. So it lies between which two numbers? It is lying between 0.0 and 0.10. So 0 और 10 के बीच में आ जाएगा ना, और you can write 0.06 is being 0.06 ना, so we can write 0.10 because वहाँ पे बोला है 10th place, that's why. Second one is 0.45, so it will be lying between which two that we have to write down. Okay, so second one 0.45, it lies between 0.4 and 0.5, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 0 लगा दोगे, so it will become 40, here 0, so it will become 50, so 40 और 50 के बीच में, it means 0.4 and 0.5. Same way third one, it's 0.19, so it will be between 0.1 and 0.2. So again when 0 will be added, so it will become 10, here it will 20, so 10 और 20 के बीच में आएगा 0.19. Fourth one, it's 0.66, so it will be between 0.5 and 0.6. If you have confusion, you can put here 0 also, no problem. 40 and 50, 10 and 20, 50 and 66 is there, so 6, and here it will be 7. Okay, by mistake I thought it is 56, so 0.66 means it is between 0.6 and 0.7, तो 60 और 70 के बीच में आ जाएगा. So remaining two again you have to do it by yourself. Now the last question which is remaining, that is question number 7, that we had already done in exercise first. Lowest term में उसको convert करना है, 0.60 is being given, so it can be written as देखो अभी यहाँ पे दो चॉइस है, 6 के बाद 0 है, सो यू कैन इग्नोर दिस 0। अगर ये 0 को कंसीडर नहीं करोगे 0.6 और 0.60 इट विल बी सेम। अगर 60 भी लेना है तो फिर पॉइंट के बाद कितने डिजिट्स है 2, सो इट विल बी 100। इतना ही ध्यान रखना है। अगर 0.6 लेंगे तो 6/10 हो जाएगा। आंसर दोनों में सेम आएगा, इट विल नॉट मेक एनी चेंज। देखो 0 ऑलरेडी कट हो गया। नाउ बोथ कैन बी कैंसल्ड बाय 2 3s are and 2 5s are, so the answer comes that is 3/5. Same way second one 0.05, so here 0 is before 5, 5 के पहले है, इसीलिए it will be 5/100। यहाँ पे दोनों में डिफरेंस है स्टूडेंट। हियर इट वॉज 60, सो अगर 0 लास्ट में है तो अगर आप कंसीडर करना चाहो तो कर सकते हो। अगर नहीं कंसीडर कर रहे हो मतलब पॉइंट के बाद एक ही डिजिट है तो नीचे 10 आएगा। इफ़ यू आर कंसीडरिंग 2 डिजिट्स तो नीचे 100 आएगा। लेकिन यहाँ पे आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि भाई मेरे को 5 ही लेना है, 5 ही कंसीडर करना है, ये 0 को मैं छोड़ दूँगा या छोड़ दूँगी तो चलेगा। इट इज़ नॉट देयर। 5 के बाद होता then we can do it, but it is before 5, so compulsory we have to put in the denominator as 100. So now 5 ones are 5 and 5 20s are 2 5s are 10 होता है, 25s are is 100, so the answer comes is 1/20. Same way third one, it's 0.75, so 0.75 means 75/100. Both are coming in the table of 25, 3s are and 25 4s are, so the answer will come 3/4. Fourth one, it's 0.18, so 18/100. Both are divisible by 2, 2 9s are and 2 50s are, so the answer will be 9/50. Fifth one, it's 0.25, so it will be 25/100. You can cancel it, 25 ones are and 25 4s are, so the answer will come 1/4. Now 2 are being remaining, that is 0.125 and 0.066, that you have to do it by yourself. It's very simple. पॉइंट के बाद जितने डिजिट से उतने 0 नीचे लगने चाहिए। लास्ट वन देखो 0.066 है तो खाली 66/1000 आएगा, बिकॉज पॉइंट के बाद टोटल 3 डिजिट्स आर बीइंग देयर। सिक्स्थ वन में भी 0.125 है, मीन्स टोटल 3 डिजिट्स आर देयर, तो 125/1000 आएगा। Be careful, otherwise it is very simple. So by this we complete exercise 8.2. In the next video we'll start exercise 8.3. So till then, thank you and take care.